I'm Sydney Johnson. Have you ever wondered, does knowing music theory actually make a difference? I'm here to tell you that yes it does, and here are 4 reasons why you should know music theory. Reason number 1. Knowing music theory helps you understand your favorite artists. And then if you like to compose, you can then take those elements that you understand because you know the building blocks of music. You can take those elements that you love and incorporate those into your own unique style. Reason number 2. Knowing music theory saves you time. It improves your note reading speed and comprehension. It helps you memorize your music more efficiently since you can recognize common patterns in your music. And it also helps you practice more efficiently. Reason number 3. Knowing music theory helps to make you a confident and engaging performer. Since you understand your music, then you know exactly how you want to communicate it with your audience. Reason number 4. Learning music theory has the same cognitive benefits as learning a second language. According to a 2018 study by the Baycrest Center for Geriatric Care, researchers found that those who were bilingual or formerly trained in music activated different and more efficient brain networks to accomplish tasks utilizing short-term memory. These findings show that musicians and bilinguals require less effort to perform the same task, which could also protect them against cognitive decline and delay the onset of dementia. My online Ultimate Music Theory Club classes are a really fun and easy way to learn music theory. These classes are designed for ages 6 through adult and encompass all learning styles. If you're ready to unleash your musical potential one note at a time, or even just begin your musical journey, please check out the link in the description box. I have a 15-minute free consultation call that you can book with me. I would love to just chat with you and discuss your musical goals and see, if music theory club classes are a good fit for you. If you would like to know more reasons why music theory is beneficial, I've also left a free guide for you in the description box, so feel free to check that out as well. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video and this content, please feel free to share it with your family and friends, and of course, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.